Hi guys, Happy New Year! So for this year, I decided to make my first bullet journal and wanted to share my process. Obviously, since it's the beginning of the year, every page so far is basically just a template that I'll fill in as the year goes by. I have to admit, it was really a pain making all those pages, but I still think it's a good way to keep my life organized. So why not? My first page is a bookmark color code, which in the end, I'm going to put these little colored tabs, which will match up with my color code. Next is my table of contents, which also at the end of the year, I'll go back and begin writing it, since as of now, I'm not really sure how I should go about. Now I have my 2018 resolutions and wishes. Of course, at first I accidentally put 2017 instead of 2018, so I tried to cover it up by painting over it. And the difference I made between my resolutions and wishes is the fact that for my resolutions, I know for a fact that I can achieve them this year, while for my wishes, they're just things I would really like to achieve, but I'm not sure I can this year. Now I have my period tracker, which is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna color in the boxes for the days I do have it and just track it for the entire year. Now this is my mood tracker, which is separated by work and school on the left side of this entire page. And then you'll see the overall day on the right. So for my first sleep tracker, I did it by hand, which was extremely time-consuming and tedious. So for my future months, I'm for sure gonna just type it up, print it, and then copy and paste it basically. And finally, I have my workout tracker for the month, which I also did a color code for it, based on how long I worked out for. Towards the end of my journal, I made schedules based on the quarter that's going on during the school year. So I made a schedule for my work and school hours on the left side. I also made a separate schedule for my school, which is color-coded by the class name. Here's what my journal looks like as of today. Obviously, I skipped a few pages for my future months, but if I'm able to keep this up and actually fill in every page for the entire year, I'll probably make another video at the end of this year showing everything I've filled out. But I wouldn't count on it.